So children, now to know about the parts of a flower, we will perform an activity. For that, I am having a flower. The name of this flower is China rose. This flower is known as hibiscus also, and in Hindi we call it gudhal. Now this flower, to know about the parts of this flower, first of all, we will look at the underside of the flower. Children, can you see these green parts under the flower? These green parts are known as sepals. And these sepals, they protect this flower at the time of bud. See, I am having a bud. Now, the green part which you can see, these are the sepals. They protect the flower at the time of bud. Now, to start with the activity, I need a cutter and I need a plucker so that I can easily remove the parts of the flowers. First of all, to see the parts clearly, we will remove these parts very carefully. First, I will remove the sepals, as these sepals are the outermost part, so I will remove these sepals. Now I have removed all the sepals from the part. The second part which you see is the colored part. Now these are the colored part. These colored parts which you can see, they are known as the petals. These are the petals. These are the colored parts. These parts we can easily remove like this to see the internal structure of the flower. Remove it very carefully like this. These are the petals, the colored part of the flowers. Now children, can you see these small stick-like structures on which you can see some yellow part? These stick-like structures, these are the stamens. Stamens are the male part of the flower. I will have to remove all these male parts. They are quite sticky. Remove them from this. These are the stamens. Stamens are attached with the help of a stick-like structure, small stick-like structure, the stalk. Now can you see the pinkish stick-like structure with yellow dot-like structures on the top? These are the stamens. Now after I remove all the stamens, children, can you see this long part with a feathery like structure on the top? Let me remove this so that you can see it carefully. Now see this feathery like structure on the top, and there is a long stick like structure and the bottom part is swollen. ये नीचे वाला part थोड़ा फूला हुआ है, एक लंबा सा ऐसे structure है और ऊपर से ये feathery part है. ये जो feathery part है, this part is the tip part is known as the stigma. Now this whole part is called as pistil. Pistil is the female part. Now this pistil has the tip part which is known as the stigma. This long part is known as the style, and this swollen part, ये फूला फूला जो part है, this is known as the ovary. This is the ovary, this is the style, and this is the stigma. Now if I will remove this, now we are left with the swollen part here. अगर इस swollen part को मैं ऐसे लंबा सा काट दूं, then you will be able to see small small grain like structures. इसको मैंने कट ओपन कर रही हूँ. ये जो आपको अंदर से दिखाई दे रहा है, जो फूला फूला थोड़ा येलोइश सा पार्ट आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. सी आई हैव रिमूव्ड द स्टिग्मा एंड स्टाइल. ये जो स्वोलन सा पार्ट आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, दिस इज द एग्जैक्टली द ओवरी. इसको मैंने कट करा. वाव, कैन यू सी स्मॉल स्मॉल ग्रेन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. छोटे छोटे दाने दिख रहे हैं आपको. These grain like structures are the ovules. तो ये फ्लावर में ओव्यूल्स हैं. दिस इज द ओवरी, दिस इज द स्टाइल, एंड दिस इज स्टिग्मा. These are the stamens. We have petals and we have sepals. So this is how a plant, or you can say the parts of a flower, are arranged. We have sepals, then we have petals, we can see stamens on the tip, then we have the pistil. Pistil is the innermost part. ये सबसे अंदर वाला पार्ट होता है. ये देखो फ्लावर के सारे पार्ट्स हमने रिमूव कर दिए और उसके बाद में हमें जो पार्ट मिला दैट इज द पिस्टल. और इस पिस्टल के अंदर स्टिग्मा, स्टाइल और ओवरी होता है. और ओवरी के अंदर छोटे छोटे बीड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, जैसे मोती जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं. दे आर नोन एज ओव्यूल्स. और ये अगर मैं इनको थोड़ा सा क्रश करके अपने हैंड पे लूँ तो यू कैन सी देम क्लियरली. देखो आपको ये दाने दाने जैसे स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको मेरे हैंड पर दिखाई दे रहे होंगे, स्मॉल ग्रेन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. तो ये जो ग्रेन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, दीज आर द ओव्यूल्स. So these are the parts of a flower. Thank you.